Okay guys, mount your camera on a tripod. You can use portrait mode. Remember, you are recording 4 videos here. Number 1 is this one now. You mount your camera, you come in, then you sit down, then you do a CPR shock. After doing that, you start waving your hand like you see me doing. Then after this one now, you are going to be recording the second one, which is this one. You can now sit down and face the other side. All right, you just sit there for some few seconds, for some few minutes. All right, depending on what you want to achieve. Then after this one now, you are going to be recording the third one, which is this one. All right, you record yourself like this. You stood, then you are looking on this direction as if you are watching someone dancing. Then after that, you record this one now. All right, where you will record yourself coming from afar. Look at me there. You can see me walking and coming closer. All right, can walk to an extent. All right, look at me, I am still coming. Walk to an extent. All right, then after this fourth one now, that is all. You can now walk out. All right, save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. Guys, welcome to your gallery as we create this one together. Click on CapCut now, new project, import this your first video to workspace. All right, look at the video, how it's going to look. This is the video. Come back now, click on that volume sign there. Let's silence the volume. All right, at this point, mark anywhere. You are going to be clicking on overlay, add overlay. Then you import this your first green screen video. Then you go and look for remove BG. Guys, click on remove BG, chroma key, drag it to green, mark on this good and go back. Click it, locate adjust. Look for adjust now. Click on adjust, locate HSL, click on it, mark on the green, reduce saturation and mark on this good and go back. Then you resize that video and place it where you want it to be. At this point, you are going to cropple it. Cropple it until you see it no more. Then you mark on chroma key now. Click on chroma key, adjust the video a bit. All right, adjust it before you turn your head, before you look. From here, you review the video again. Review the video now. After reviewing it, position it to where you want it to be. After positioning it, we are going to be playing this first one. Let us see how it's going to play. Let's see what we have got. Play it now. Good. So at this point, then you start waving hand with the baby. After then, we are going to make a split here. Click here and make a split. Delete this last part. Then you click on that plus there. Then you import your second video. Import your second video now. All right, so import it. You want to go and import the second baby. Click on overlay, import the second baby green screen. Then you go and look for remove BG. Click on remove BG, chroma key, still drag it like we did before, mark on this good and go back. Click it and locate adjust. Click on adjust here, HSL, mark on green, reduce saturation, mark on this good, you go back. Then you position the baby, then you go and look for transform. Locate transform, guys. Look for transform, click on transform now, click on rotate. Good. Then you position the baby how you want it to be. Just come down and do it. After positioning it, look at what I am doing. After positioning it, we are going to be cropping it like we did to the other one. Just take time and do your necessary adjustment here, after which then you crumple it. All right, we are going to crumple it like we did to the other one. After crumpling it, you add your keyframe. Then you adjust your video and reveal it again. Reveal it. After revealing it, then you position it the way you want it to be. All right, then we are going to be playing it. Let us see what we have got. Good. Then you wait, then the character will turn. See if he wants to see what is happening. All right, immediately the character turn, you are going to be clicking on this one to crumple it. You click on this one and make a split. Delete this last part. We have gotten this second part. Click on this plus. After watching it, you are going to be clicking on the plus. Let us import the third part of the video. Click on plus, then locate this your third video here and import it. As we import it, we are still going to be clicking on overlay. You import the third one as well. Locate remove bg, click on remove bg, chroma key, drag it, mark on the good and go back. Click it to locate adjust like we did to the other ones. Click on adjust, click on reduce it, mark on this good and go back. Then you want to crumple, then resize it, crumple it and put it at the position where you want it to be. Place it at the position where you want it to be. After then, let's play it as well to see what we have got. This is good. This is the baby walking, and that is you behind the baby coming close as well. After which now we are going to be clicking on this plus to import the last part of the video. So import the last part of the video now. As we import it, click on add overlay. All right, click on add overlay, import the fourth baby now. Locate remove bg, click on remove bg, guys. Still click on chroma key and drag it, mark on this good, still click it to locate adjust like we did to the other ones. All right, click on adjust, HSL green, reduce saturation to 100%, mark on this good, you go back, then you resize this one, place it at the position where you want it to be, then you play it. Let us see what we have got. Look at it. Look at what we have got. But you are clicking on this one now, make a split, you delete this last part. This video is ready. All right, let's play it from the beginning to see what we have got. All right, remember to add your sound effect and every other effect. After adding them, you can now export this your video to your gallery. If you don't know how to add them, you can DM me, as my number is at the description of this video. Just DM me, then I'll put you through on how to add your necessary effects, and after that you can now export your video to your gallery. Okay, just allow this video to play finish. As you can see what we have got here. So the next thing now is to click on export to export this video. So click on export, then you allow the video to export 100%. As you can see that the video is exporting, and now this video have installed in your gallery. You can now share it to your social media handles. But guys, tell us your opinion about this video. If you have any magic effects or capcut tricks you want us to create together, drop them at the comment section. You love this video and you love what we are doing, smash your like button, locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. If you are just coming across our YouTube channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. All right, thank you for watching. See you in our next video. Stay safe.